Okay, now that I'm here, and I essentially am going to unpack my things, is what I call extreme backpacking when you don't want to pay luggage fees. Because with a lot of airlines, there's a certain dimensions that you need to have for a personal item, and then that's it. And this is my lovely backpack.
So, alright. Right.
This is all that I have, plus this. But I'm gonna get into this in a bit, because whatever fits in here can fit into my pockets and can fit into this backpack. So, rapid fire. Okay. Water bottle. This right here is a bag, a portable, reusable bag. I got this on my first solo trip, this clip right here. And then it's adjustable, but it's really nice to just have this whenever you need to clip something extra to your bag that can't fit in your bag, like your jacket and whatnot. So this is my neck pillow. But wait, instead of the regular pillow that's inside of it, I put my sweater in here because it just makes it easy and convenient, and I have more space to put my stuff. So my sweater, okay, gum, my Bible. This is the New Testament, Psalms and Proverbs. This doesn't count because I bought it here, but charger, rechargeable flashlight, a black pen and pencil, another portable charger, charging blocks, Tylenol, because sometimes I get these really massive headaches, to my bag. Since COVID happened, I feel like it's important to have a mask. So I brought these masks, earplugs, headband, another SD card. I brought sleep aid that I have yet to use, and I honestly forgot that I had this. I'm not gonna get too much into this, even though I want to. This is my adapter, because I always have a lot of electronics with me. So, but the thing is too, is that the plug part is interchangeable. So, and it comes with the pack that I'll put it here, like a picture describing it and everything, and I put it in the description below, but let me show you. So this is like the European plug, and you just kind of slide it in there and you're good to go. Have the US plug as well, so you just slide that in there and you're good to go. So the pack comes with all types of international plugs, the whole everything, and it even comes with a type C plug too attached to it to charge your devices, which that was amazing, whoever thought about that. So I live, laugh, love, and recommend this. So you don't have to have that big bulky thing that you can only charge like maybe one or two things. You could just interchange them like this, these small little things. My toiletries, okay, bigger hair tie because I have locks. Deodorant, laundry detergent sheets. So like this is like a dry laundry detergent. So you just pop these in and it like dissolves in water. So toothbrush, shower cap, and my rule of thumb is if it can be a solid, do that instead of a liquid. So for soap, I bring a solid soap bar, an African black soap for my face, for my moisturizer, for like, you know, your lotion. I have shea butter in here and coconut oil. This is for my hair. This is water spray and toothpaste. All right. I forgot to add this camera that I'm recording with. My headphones, even though I feel like they take up so much space, I cannot go anywhere without my headphones. Like, I chose my headphones over my camera because that's my camera. But this is some more chargers for my Osmo Pocket 3, my portable chargers, and then my flashlight charger. I just put them in here. Whatever, there's space, put stuff in it. Headphones. Clothes. Okay. So I have this jacket. Right. This long sleeve button up I bought while I was here. And then underneath the button up I have like this ribbed tank top, kind of crop top kind of thing. Also, I have 2 pairs of pants with me. This like it's like a tracksuit that I have. So this tracksuit pants goes with this jacket, but I always put this in my backpack because it takes up less space than my jeans because my jeans are pretty bulky. Pants. And then I have this ankle brace because my ankle, yeah. Sleeping mask, bonnet, leggings for when I go to sleep. Actually, gotta put those over there. Socks. I brought 3 pairs of socks. The ones I'm wearing, these. I think the other pair are somewhere. This is my Uniqlo like Heat Tech long sleeve. I love Uniqlo. I love this shirt. It's an oversized tee, but yet it's very lightweight and it fits perfectly in my bag. So it doesn't take up space even though it is a large shirt. On to the next. So in total, I bring in 5 pairs of underwear. So, and this is like my sleeping lounge kind of bra. Cause like if I have to get up and do something outside of my room, like especially when it's at the Airbnb, I wanted like a bra that like I could sleep in. Cause I don't. The girls, you'll understand. Then underwear, sports bra, a pair of socks. And then my coworker gave me this idea, shout out to Bianca, because she was like, why don't you just buy like those packs of washcloths and then each place you go to, you just throw them away. I'm like, that is so smart. At Target, I got the 6-pack of the baby washcloths because I feel like those are thinner and more easier to pack. We're almost done. This doesn't count because I bought this, but this is kind of genius. I'm not gonna lie, I was proud of myself. If you have like this strap that's for putting on your luggage, I would just say if you have something thin or fabric like this, put it like this behind it so you can easily carry it without having to shove it in your backpack. I think this is a hack right here that I figured out. Flip-flops, shower shoes. Will not step foot in a shower without these on. iPad. This very thin campus notebook because I like to take notes whenever I'm traveling. All the other stuff is just like extra, like this doesn't matter. That's it, really. Yep. But last but not least, hand sanitizer, because I don't think I have to explain this, but hand sanitizer saved my life more than I can count. Another headband, a wallet. I usually like to bring my lanyard, but I can't stuff all my money in my lanyard and my coins, so I just have my wallet with all my cash, ID cards, and more money, lip balm, sunglasses, my passport. But in here I have my extra money that I leave at the hotel or whatever, any boarding passes. And I got this passport holder from 5 and Below, but it really just has my COVID card in here. I bring it wherever I go, just in case. My passport, yeah. But yeah, because I love this too, because it has so many pockets. Like it has a pocket here, it has a pocket here, here. Pockets for your cards, and it has 2 different pockets here for like cash and stuff. And then over there is my big jacket. That is everything, guys. That is everything. And I'm not gonna do this right now. I may do it another time and show you how I do this, but you're not supposed to have 2 bags, and this can count as 2 bags. Look how big that is in comparison, like size wise. So what I do is I strip this. I take everything out. I put it in my pockets because my pockets are deep. And then I take my jacket off. I put this on, and then I put my jacket over it, so they can't see it that I'm bringing another bag. I realized I didn't have to do that, but I just rather be safe than sorry. So that was chaotic. That was like a rapid fire of everything. Good night, goodbye. I made lots of videos on my travels to Barcelona, Marrakesh, and Fez. I'm now in Fez. I just got here. Good night and goodbye.